Maxxfan error green light and beeping. Is your Maxxfan beeping with a green light illuminated? This could be due to prolonged inactivity, causing your Maxxfan to draw more current than usual and enter an error mode. The following simple steps can help get your Maxxfan back to working condition. Remove the fuse for the Maxxfan and leave it out for at least 10 minutes. Reinstall the fuse and restart the Maxxfan, ensuring that you immediately reduce the fan speed to the minimum. Let the Maxxfan run for 1 hour, then gradually increase the speed by 1 setting each hour until reaching the 10th speed. If, despite following these steps, your Maxxfan continues to enter error mode, please contact us at Atelier at VanLife MTL.com.